Thursday, guys. We are doing a 360 test in the mountains. So if you see me looking back, that's because I'm making sure the camera's still there. And we're taking on a hella windy road because I really wanted to test it out. Right now, since I don't know it too well, I'm not going to drive too hard, but yeah, I definitely want to. So this car, what am I trying to say? This camera looks basically a lot like Forza when you're actually looking at the footage, which is super sick. I wanted to do this later in the day. So I could get some footage of the flames. But unfortunately, I am just a little too busy today, and this is the only day that the weather's actually nice enough. So because of that, we're getting a midday run instead. Hello, biker. I'll keep it nice near you. And as soon as I'm past you, we go. Because I did try this thing, and at night you can catch the flames. I might put a clip of that up. If not, check out my Instagram, link in description, because there is a video of it there. Oh, that's a lot tighter than I thought. Also, that clunking you're hearing is my water bottle, not something in the car. Keep it slow around this corner. I've caught up with the traffic I was trying to get ahead of. Nuts. So, before I started recording, I spent about 5 minutes waiting for this traffic to get ahead, and they got ahead enough where I could get through the fun section, but there's about 4 cars here, 5 cars that I need to get past, and unfortunately there's not a lot of passing zones for the next little bit. This freaking Honda's blind spot collision keeps setting off my radar detector. Left, 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 right. Turkeys, the fuck? Okay. Gonna have to... Hey, Aiden, in editing, you're gonna have to mute that. But also zoom in on that, because that was hilarious. That's why, folks, when you're driving, eyes ahead, not in front of you. Look up 2 or 3 corners at least. It just seems I can't get a good run today, though. brakes cool down, and then I lose my brake performance. There they are, they're back. Ooh, hello, that corner tightened a little bit more than I thought it did. Also, my car is currently running 226 oil and 219 coolant, so a little warm. Ooh, intake temps are dropping though. We're sitting at 93. Is this the top of the hill that I think it is? Oh no, it's up a little bit. Let's go. There's the pavement at the sign. Ow. This is my turnaround right up here. Hello, horses. Oh man, am I gonna get stuck behind this freaking Mazda? Oh, my car has not been driven this hard in a while. It is puffing at me. Okay, keep the brakes warm, but not too warm. Slow down for the corner. Oh, yes, those G's. That was good. Oh, brakes getting too warm, like I said. Hello. That was not happy for my car. Brakes are next for sure. Pedals firm though. That smells good. That smells like boiling brakes. This is all downhill, so I'm going to keep it a little more sane, especially since I'm coming up on that Honda or that Mazda. I don't know where. Actually going for it pretty decently considering he's in a Mazda. My car is getting so squirrely under braking right now, it's not happening. Oh, I would have gone for it on that pass, but I could feel my brakes were not happy. Now, because I don't like passing into corners. Let's roll down the windows for a second, because I'm boiling like a pig. What's that noise? Wow. I don't know if you can hear my turbo, but it is all the time. Coming up hill. Is that plaid? That might have been a plaid. Ooh, car's not happy. So if y'all look on the right side of the road, there is so much dirt and crap that it's making me a little sketched out to just send it, because we've had, let me roll up my windows now, we're out of the canyon. had like 80-mile-an-hour winds ripping through valleys like this, and it's just pushed everything that would have been off the road onto the road, and it's really dangerous kind of sometimes. Right now it's not too bad. This is where the turkeys were, so I'm going to make sure my brakes are good to go. Oh, trash can. Probably shouldn't hit that. Just absolutely not even sending it downhill. That's such a bad idea. Tires are up to temp. Front right's at 122, front left's at 120. There's that grip that the Mini's known for. Dang. Yeah, pedal's going all the way to the floor right now. Also, I can feel I have a lot less power. I think we're at like 8,000, 9,000 feet? Maybe not 9,000 yet. 9,000 at the top, though, for sure. Suction cups are still attached, and I'm hoping that the threading didn't give out. Ah, yes, we're getting some curvy areas again. Going from the smooth twisties into the send-it twisties. Hopefully my brakes cooled down enough. Wasn't really on them too much. Oh, hold up, there's a guy getting his mail. Don't piss off the locals, because they're the only reason you can still drive on these roads. Okay, drop down in a second. Let's go. Come through here. Traction control light has not stopped flashing at me in like the past, well, it feels like since I started this video, basically. Which, I mean, fair enough. I'm not exactly being kind to my car right now. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. I forgot about this corner. Hello, BMW. You want to use a slow car pull-off for me? so awesome. Thank you, person. You're awesome. Oh, last time I was on this stretch of road, there was a 720S taking a left further. Also, look out to the left and check out that view and tell me that isn't just an amazing view. So another Lexus. That's not really a pull-off, so I won't fault you for that one.
A few moments later.
There's one. Did you just... This man just brake checked me. And then flipped me off. For trying to pass just the Lexus and not him. I absolutely could have passed him, but I didn't because I was being respectful. And he just brake checked me and flipped me off. I hate truck drivers sometimes, not gonna lie. Alright, now we're getting into like the legitimately fun corner, so you gotta go, my guy.
Many minutes later.
Oh, come on, that one's even paved, dick. Leaving him behind. Not dealing with people like that today. Slow down, coming over the hill. Oh, are you kidding? It's the first group I ditched earlier that I did that side road. Oh, shit. Please, cop, don't be suspicious of the giant antenna looking thing. Alright, I'm calling it here, folks.